My name is Adam Freed, and I teach sustainability metrics. I'm currently a consultant with Bloomberg Associates, which is a pro bono consulting firm set up by Mayor Michael Bloomberg to help cities improve the quality of life for their constituents. I've spent about 15 years in the city and state government, focused on urban planning and urban design issues, most recently with the Nature Conservancy, leading a global water program focused on helping cities have safe, secure, and sustainable water supplies. And prior to that, I spent 5 years helping run New York City's sustainability office. I think the overall project that I'm most proud of in my career in sustainability would be the update to Plan YC, New York City's comprehensive sustainability plan. It was a 9-month process. We met with over 250 organizations in New York to really take a holistic look at what were we doing well in New York, what could we do better, and where could we improve on that. Within that, it's our work on air quality, that we use data to understand what was the biggest driver of local sources of air pollution in the city, what regulations and power do we have to try to minimize the pollution that was being put out, and then go through a process of engaging stakeholders to get our regulations enacted. All that happened over a course of 2 years. As a result of that, New York City now has the cleanest air quality it's had in over 50 years. So being able to see the impact of that work has really been rewarding. We try to offer students a wide variety of assignments in the course that I teach. All of it is focused on what type of things you may be asked to do in the real world. So some of it is a short writing assignment where we focus much more on how you write and communicate to get effectively across to someone, and not an entire paper, but how do you engage them in your opening paragraph, which is where you can make or break whether or not someone reads on to the rest of the paper. We look at data sets and ask them to come up with policy recommendations as if they are working for the governor on issues like hydrofracking or closing nuclear power plants. And then we look at resilience and how do they define resilience using data to look at communities within New York City to say what makes them resilient, what risks do they face, and what are the recommendations students would make to improve their resilience going forward. All of it very much grounded in data, but ensuring that you can communicate about those issues effectively.